All right, you guys, what it do? Your boy is back on the grind one more time. I'm gonna make this intro somewhat quick. I actually got to go meet a guy I met at the Good Guys Car Show. He is buying, I don't know if you guys can see that over there, but that rear valance, he is buying that off me. We were just kind of connecting at the show and whatnot, and he was talking about if I had any parts and what he needed, and I actually ended up having this part that I don't need anymore because, as you guys know, I got a custom rear valance made, and I had already bought that one. So I just figured I would just keep it. Somebody might want it, or I'll just sell it or whatnot. So anyways, I'm going to go meet him right now. And, man, just talking about yesterday, this is actually going to be the intro into the actual video. I was trying to get footage, and I was going to document it so I could upload it on YouTube, and I got footage, but I meant to kind of like interact with you guys in the camera or whatnot. But man, I was just having so much fun that, you know, I just wanted to kind of enjoy the moment, man. We had added 2 more Abodies to the group, man. And, man, our Abody gang is starting to increase, man. It was just a lot of fun, man. So I did get some footage, but I didn't really interact with everybody with the camera. I don't know, man. I was just caught in the moment. It was just so much fun, you guys. And the car, man, everybody loves the car, man. Everybody loves this car right here. I'm talking, doesn't matter, old, young, whatever. I was getting thumbs up like crazy. People stopping by just to look at the car. Man, it's crazy. And I'm telling you, man, that reel on Instagram, it is blowing up. 2 million plus views already. Well over 1,000 comments, and I'm trying to respond to them all. It's just insane. Crazy amount of just likes on that video. So it's definitely striking a good chord for everybody, and I'm really happy that people are responding to this car really well. So I'm gonna go meet this guy, man, but you guys enjoy this footage. Man, it was a good time. Man, it was a good time. We got another guy, shout out to Cash Flow, man. He actually just lives not too far away. He came with us, so first time brother with us, first time meeting him, man, just off Instagram. He shot me a message, so we linked up, and he has a, gosh, what is it, 70 SS Chevelle he just purchased in April. Man, his trunk setup is super dope, man. You guys got to check that out in this video. And our buddy Rudolph with his 70 Cutlass, 70 Cutlass drop top LS3, I believe in that one. And man, that thing's coming along too, man. So man, nice rides, man. We're growing, y'all. We're growing. So anyways, you guys stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, definitely think about subscribing, hit that notification bell, all that good stuff, y'all. I'm gonna meet this guy. You guys enjoy this footage. Oh man, added a new one to the team, yo, man. Get ready. Get ready. Yes, sir. They call him Cash Flow. And you already know. What it do, y'all? What it do, y'all? What it do? Your boy is back on the grind one more time. Man, I am not even going to talk on this video, at least on this intro. I'm just going to show you guys what's up, man. We done added another vehicle to the fleet. Not my own, but just to the crew, man. You might as well maybe start calling me Abody crew here shortly. But anyways, you guys, man, we're about to hit this cruise here real quick. And if you guys can kind of see behind me, ooh, it's about to go down. So I'm not even going to talk. I'm just gonna film these cars here real quick, let the cars do the talking. We're gonna hit this cruise. If you're new to the channel, definitely think about subscribing, hit that notification bell, all that good stuff, y'all. Man, check this out.
Yeah, vinyl. Yeah, it does. I'm trying to find it right now. Ghost lighting. It's kind of funky on my. It's not working.
That's fucking badass.
Yeah.
So Car Toys did this?
Car Toys did it. Yeah, and it was more Car Toys Bellevue, but it was Jeremy and Christian who worked there in their background and the work they've done that I was sold on, not so much the company.
Did you know them before this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd been taking my bow and other cars there,
Okay.
so I knew that Car Toys. They are Car Toys, but
That looks.
yeah.
I'm shocked.
Thanks, man.
That looks.
They came out a lot better than I thought.
Nope,
Too.
won't work.
I actually didn't know what to think.
Mine
because I
goes
went into
down.
them without any plans or anything. I told them, quality, but I wanted the quality sound too. Out of it, I wanted to hear.
No, I don't play with them. I don't free pick niggas when I be for sure, no favoritism. Shit, I'm too rich to fade. He ran up, so I blame my nigga. Shit crazy. I'm in Miami with Gucci.
Joining this cruise, a lot of folks down here, a lot of folks. We ended up joining about 4 of the cars that were already parked here. We brought about 5 or 6 cars.